Top 3 fave Pinoy restos of all time. Di kami nagsasawa. I mean, I love it. The fam loves it for so many years na. Minsan nagtatop 1 pa nga, depende sa dalas namin kainan. Pero when in Evia, pag Filipino food, mesa pa rin talaga. And glad na updated na rin ang interiors here. Nabalikan namin dito parati is their braised beef, baby squid, laing and crispy pata. Pero buti na lang, they always have something new sa menu and dagdag agad sa favorites itong tilapia at kinilaw na sisig. Easily our fave. Sama ko na rin itong kimchi sinigang. I mean, hybrid ng kinilaw at sisig. Yes, please. Get that punch of freshness and sourness sa kaliwin elements. May crunch pa because it's sisig. Kaya may sucker for anything boneless tilapia. On the sweeter side tong chili garlic sauce, but I'm not complaining. It was so good. Well-coated but still crispy. I mean, hindi naman bago ang kimchi sinigang. Pero their take is just so elevated. Infused na infused yung lasa ng kimchi. So, Korean flavors are definitely present. Tapos the beef, grabe, super tender. Sinanay naman na-enjoy yung sinigang in guava and pineapple. You get that sweet and sour and fruity flavors kasi from the fruits, of course. And another favorite was the crispy flying seafood noodles that has the right umami. Seafood taste is also there. Might look pale pero on the flavorful side siya, so need siya ng kalamansi. Chicken salted egg, grabe, super addicting, still crispy. It's a good mix of sweet and salty. For me, may konting umay factor pero good for sharing kasi talaga siya. Ang ganda rin na execution ng manok sa pandan kasi kapit sa laman yung mismong flavors. Perfect pa with the Thai vinegar dip. In fairness, crispy naman talaga yung kanilang beef short ribs. But for me, could use more flavor lang. Same goes with the chicken dinakdakan. I just need more dinakdakan element pa. Dito na rin kami magde-dessert kasi we super love their dulce de leche balls. Soft, chewy, coconutty, and of course, the dulce de leche inside. As expected, we enjoyed our meal here in Mesa. Glad na ang dami na nilang menu. I mean, ang dami ko naman binabalikan dishes dito. Nadagdagan pa tuloy lalo. Ichoy!